Hello guys, welcome back. Time to working with Adobe After Effects trap code form. How to make a news globe or with particles. Let's start. Okay, create new composition. Name it form. Press enter. Time 5-second timeline. Turn on title action save area and Control R for ruler. Then press Ctrl plus Y for creating a new layer. Name it globe and go back to effects and red giant trap code form. This is form. If you want to make a news sphere, then right click, go to new, select camera 24mm and turn off enable depth of field. Press OK and then go back to globe and base form, select sphere layer. We need just one layer, change it to 1 and this is the size of sphere. And then go back to project and double click, go to desktop, then select the map and drop there. Okay, and now scale up the size and then right click, pre-compose, move all attributes, name it map, then go to map and drop fill effect for changing the white color. There is a problem to remove the black color. Linear color key for removing the black color. This is removing black color. And back fill effect, drop fill effect, then change the color to orange, near of yellow, and then go to globe and go to layer maps, color and alpha, select the map and RGBA and turn off the map composition, select globe, and there is the particles rate in X and this is the particle rate in Y. And then go to particles, change the sphere to globe sphere, and then there is the size and this is the random size. You can change the random size and select camera, layer, camera setting, turn on depth of field. This is depth of field. Then go to globe, change from globe sphere to sphere, because camera depth of field effect on sphere particles, not on globe sphere. Then go back to camera and select layers, camera setting, press OK. Okay, now I want to create a circle, a line layer. How? Select globe layer and Ctrl D, then turn off the layer maps, none, just RGB, and down the Y position and change the size, and this is particles. Okay, then RGB, none, RGB, close again and go back. This is a sphere and there is the layer. This is the layer and sphere layer, and this is the particle rate. Okay, change the color to yellow and change now the camera setting. Press OK, and then press Ctrl D, duplicate one more, and then change this to 100 and changes to 3, and scale up the size like this. And now select glue, then Ctrl D, duplicate, and down the particles rate to 75, and change the size 0.5, and this is disperse is creating the particles. Change the size a little bit more like this, and change the sphere map particle size 1.5 like this. And now create new null object, then parent camera to null object, move the null object. Yeah, that's good. And then turn on 3D switch, press R, and this is Y rotation. In 5 seconds we need two times degrees 360, and then this is particles. I want to animate these particles. Stopwatch, press Ctrl, slow, change the particles, and down the size 1. Okay, this is a random size, and then right click, select new adjustment layer, glow, and this is glow, drop glow. Okay, down the size of this layer particles 1, and down size of this particles 1. Good. Okay, turn on motion blurs and then render. Okay, test. Wow, that's really good and very beautiful. Okay, I wanna add plexus. Right click, new, this is solid, name it plexus, press enter, and go back to effect. This is robot plexus. Then how you make plexus, this is noise, spherical field. I want to create a plexus by text like this. Click O and scale up the size. Press Alt Ctrl Home for change the anchor point into center, and then apply plexus on delete plexus solid again, and select your title and go back, apply plexus on title, and go to add paths, and then render triangulations and lines. Then close the panel and this is the points. Turn off okay, do not turn off. This is the point rate and this is triangulation. I need to add from effector noise. This is the noise parameter. Change the noise rate like this. Okay, then go back to point. This is the point type, and there is the color. Customize your color, which color, what color you want, create, and there is triangulation, how many triangles you want create, and there is the color about triangulations. Turn off color from vertices and change the color yellow. Then the very most important thing is line. This is the line, and change the thickness 0.7, change more 0.5, 0.3. good. And now go back to noise, and this is the noise. Turn on stopwatch and then close your layer and turn on motion blur. Render again. Yeah, that's really good, but need more edit the plexus effect, like down triangulations a little bit, and go back to line renders, change the line renders like this, and this is really good. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe for supporting our channel. See you next time.